This might be the most addictive fried rice you will ever make. Today, I'm taking just garlic, rice and 10 minutes and turning it into something that tastes like it came straight out of a restaurant. And once you try this, I promise you will start craving it every single week. Let's start with the star of the show, the garlic. We are using 8 cloves. You will need a lot of garlic to get that amazing flavor across the rice. Finally chop the garlic. Make sure they are small and even. Garlic cooks fast, so if your pieces are uneven, some will burn before others even turn golden. But you don't need to be perfect, just try to chop them to the same size. Next, slice your green onions and separate the whites from the greens. We will only be adding the greens today. Now, it is time for garlic action. Heat a pan on medium heat and add some oil. Once it is hot and smoking, add your garlic. Lower the heat to medium-low once you add the garlic. You need to keep it moving. You are looking for light golden garlic, not dark brown. Burnt garlic will make it bitter. So, as soon as the garlic turns golden brown, take it out and strain off the excess oil. Now, don't throw that oil away, because we will be using it in the next step to fry the rice. Now it is time to fry the rice. Heat up the same pan over medium heat and add the garlic oil. Now you can add some more oil if needed. Once it is hot and smoking, add your rice straight into the garlic oil. Break it apart, toss it and coat every single grain with that garlicky goodness. Now increase the heat and let the rice fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 2/3 of the fried garlic and mix it with the rice. The rest of them will be used later to garnish the rice. Now add some soy sauce. Here's a pro tip for you. Always add soy sauce around the edge of the pan. It caramelizes slightly and tastes way better. Now turn off the heat and add your green onion on the top. Give it one final toss and that's it. Look at that. Golden garlic, crispy edges, perfectly separated rice. This is addictive for sure. And if you enjoy this garlic rice, hit the like button and subscribe. I make simple recipes that taste way better than takeout. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.